Dear audience and my dear teacher, my dear friends and colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. This is Rakib Hassan. I am very thrilled to come here and so very excited to in this splendid program. I am not a good speaker. I am very sorry to say about this topic. So I will try my best to share my opinion this topic. It is a bar chart. The given bar chart provides some information about the literacy rate in the world, male and female, about region and gender. In generally, there was almost hardly illiteracy rate in developed countries. It is seen from bar chart there was hardly illiteracy rate in developed countries, which was illiteracy rate 1 and 2% respectively. After that, there was almost similar in previous Latin America, which was literacy rate 10% almost. After that, though it is little bit more than developed countries. After that, East Asia is the little bit more after previous two, which was 8% and 20% respectively. Nextly, the Sub-Sahara Africa, which was little bit higher than previous countries, which was male and female 30 and 48% respectively. They are also similar than Sub-Sahara Africa. It was similar to Sub-Sahara Africa. The highest and maximum male and female literacy rate of in South Asia, which was 30% and 55% literacy rate. So we see that the bar chart, the male and female, the male is little bit more than female. That's all of you. See you again. Thank you very much. I would like to finish here. Allah Hafiz.